Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will learn how to link the web pages together using the anchor tag. So let's start the video. So basically I have created the three files here: home.html, contact.html and aboutus.html. So basically, I will open first my home.html file, that is web page, and I want to jump from the home page to contact page and about us page. So what I will be doing is I will create the link of this two file inside my home page. So how I will be doing that? See, so I will start the anchor tag. Inside it, I will use hyperlink, and I will give equal to, and I will mention the name of the file inside it. That is contact.html, and I will just close the tag and I will write here name contact, and I will use the break tag. Now similarly I will copy this and I will create the link for my about us tag, about us web page, means for jumping inside the about us web page. So what I will be doing, I will just mention the file name about us, and I will change the name about, wait a minute, I will give the name here about us, and I will save it. Let's run this. So basically you can see here inside the home page we have two links which we have created for contact and about us. So let's see if we can jump from the home page to contact page. So you can see, yes, we can jump from the home page to contact page. Now let's see if we can jump to about us page. Yes, we can jump. But now let's see if suppose I want to go back from this about us page to home page. So what I will be doing, or suppose I want to go from about us page to contact page. So what I will be doing, I will be creating the links for home page and contact page inside, and contact page inside the about us tag only. And similarly inside the contact web page I will be creating the links for home and about us page. So let's see how we will do it. I am going to contact.html. I will copy that similar code, and inside instead of this contact.html I will just give this to file name. So first I will give home.html, and I will just change the name home, and similarly again I will just give the name. I will create a file, a link for about us here in contact.html, and I will change the name here about us, and I will save it. Now inside the about us.html I will create the links for contact and for the home page. So just change the file name here home, and just write the heading home, and I will just change the file name here as I don't need to change, as I need only home, and inside the about us page I need contact and home link only. So this is okay. Now let's see if we can see the changes. I will just go and refresh my page. So yeah, we can see inside the about us page home and contact. So let's see if we can jump to home page. So yes, we can jump to home page. So now suppose I want to jump to contact page. So I will click contact. So basically you can see my all the three files have, or web pages has are been connected now. Now let's see how to I'm going to insert the image inside the about a space. So what I will be doing means image link. I'm going to insert the image link inside the about a space. So what I will do, I will start the anchor tag, use the hyperlink tag, and just mention the name of the image, human.jpg. I will close the anchor tag and write the image name human. So I will save it. Let's see after running about us page. So what we will do, I will just go and refresh the page. So you can see human.jpg, human link has been created. Let's see if we can see the image. Yes, we can see the image. But now what I will be doing, you can see as soon as I click the image, it is opening on the similar tag. But I want that as soon as I click on that human link, my image should should open on the new tab. So what I will be doing, I will just go to human.jpg. After I mention the file name, what I have to do is I have to just put right target equal to blank. So now let's save that, and let's see if the image opens in the new tag or not. So you can see a image is opening now on the new tab. So now suppose I want to see, as soon as I move my cursor on this human, I want to see a text shown as click here. So how I will bring that? So now see, after this blank I will just give space, and I will be writing here. Wait a second. I will be and I will be writing a title equal to, and inside the title I am going to mention what is the description we should see when the cursor moves above that. So let's save it, and just now let's see if we can see. Yes, you can see click here has been displayed on the human as soon as I move the cursor above that human. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like the channel. Thanks.